Hello everybody, this is Ryan, and this is a week 3 video. I'm really excited to be moving into week 3. This class is going really fast. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. A couple of things from last week that I want to go over would be your discussions. Make sure that they're deep. Make sure they're more than one sentence. Make sure that you go in and you ask questions and clarify points. Remember, you need to make your initial post by Wednesday, and then you need to respond to at least 2 others by the end of the week. And please don't wait till 11:30 on Sunday evening to make your posts. That really doesn't lend itself to being a very good discussion. So I recommend making your weekly post by Wednesday, looking at it on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and making some additional posts at that point. Please don't wait until Sunday evening to make your posts. Your weekly problems are pretty good. I got most of them graded from week 1. You did a nice job on that. I appreciate your work. Make sure that you put your name on your paper. Make sure that you are numbering your pages. Make sure that you put the problem number on your paper and show your work. Because I do look at your work. Each problem's worth 2 points, so you get partial credit based on how well you do. And also make sure you box your answer. Now, moving into this week we're going to learn about efficiency of 2 unbiased estimators, consistent estimators, sufficient statistics. We're going to use the Rio-Blackwell theorem. We're going to use methods to find a point estimate and use methods to maximize likelihood of a point estimate. So it's about estimates this week. Your activities will be to complete the weekly required readings, and again, I expect you to do that by Wednesday. That way you can have the information to make your discussion posts. You should go through and view all the articles in the videos and make sure you watch them all and read them. I print them off, and if there's examples, I write the examples down and I kind of work through them with the video author. Make sure you participate in a discussion. We did that again last week. We're getting better at that. You're doing better discussions. Let's get deeper with those. Let's make them better. And then your week 3 problems. One reminder moving forward that I want to point out to you is your midterm. Your midterm is during week 4. There's an additional problem set to your weekly problems, so make sure you're allowing some additional time to get your midterm done. It's quite a few problems, so it's going to take a little bit extra time. Again, watch this video. It's just a recount of the notes that I'm going to post for the announcement. If you have questions or problems, please post them in the cafe. I've been looking at that daily and answering some questions. And again, please don't wait until the weekend to work on your problems. Try to spread a little bit out over the week so it's manageable. This is Ryan, and if you have questions, please let me know. It's nice being able to talk to you. Talk to you later. Bye.